Guys, it's finally here! We pre-ordered this the second it dropped. And today, we're unboxing the brand new Galaxy S26 Ultra in Cobalt Violet. This is Samsung's latest release. And I'm not even kidding, this color might be the best one they've ever made. As soon as you open the box, you are greeted with the phone case and obviously the star of the show, the phone. First of all, look at this packaging. Samsung kept it ultra clean, matte black box, and minimal branding. It's thin, surprisingly thin, no bulky extras, just sleek premium presentation. It already feels expensive. And the moment we've been waiting for, look at that Cobalt Violet. This color is not your basic purple. It's like a deep metallic violet with this soft reflective finish. It shifts in the light almost like a sapphire tone. The back feels super premium. Samsung used reinforced glass with a matte texture, so it's smooth but not overly slippery. And the frame, that's armored aluminum, so it's strong but still lightweight. This phone comes with an S Pen, which is not just a stylus. It's built for precision. It snaps in magnetically and charges inside the device. You can take notes instantly, even use it as a remote shutter for photos. Of course, you can't forget the essentials. First up is this tiny little metal tool, the SIM eject pin. Lastly, we have the USB-C to USB-C cable. This is not the old USB-A style. This is fully modern USB-C on both ends, which means faster charging, faster data transfer, and better compatibility with newer adapters and laptops. Now look at these lenses. These are individually housed camera modules. No bulky camera island, just clean floating lenses. With this, you're getting a high-resolution main sensor for insane detail, an ultra-wide lens for those dramatic group shots, and a telephoto lens for zoom shots without losing clarity. These lenses are built with reinforced glass protection, so they are durable but still look sleek. Now this feature is something I love, the privacy screen feature. You can enable it so that when someone tries to look at your phone from the side, the display becomes darker and harder to read. That means no shoulder surfers, no random person on the metro trying to read your text, and more security in public. It's such a small feature, but it makes a huge difference. I personally love the dynamic AMOLED display. Super vibrant colors, deep blacks, ultra smooth scrolling, and bright enough to see clearly outdoors. Okay, now let's unbox the magnetic case. Clean matte black finish, super minimal. This case has built-in magnetic alignment, which means it snaps on perfectly on your phone, it has a strong hold, and it works seamlessly with magnetic accessories. It keeps the phone very slim while protecting those camera lenses with a raised lip. And honestly, the black case with the Cobalt Violet, that contrast is elite. If this is what it looks like out of the box, I can't wait to test the camera, the zoom, gaming performance, and battery life. We pre-ordered this because we knew it was going to be big. And honestly, first impressions, it's totally worth it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because this Ultra, we're putting it to the test.